Hello, my friend. Welcome back to our English story. This is Level 1 English. This is easy English. You can understand this. Do you want to speak English? Do you want to understand English? Do you want to feel confident? Maybe you feel happy today. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you want to quit. Sometimes English is hard. Sometimes English is slow. Sometimes you say, I can't. But today I want to tell you something simple. Don't quit. Don't stop. Keep going. Don't quit. Don't stop. Keep going. Today, I will tell you a simple story. This is a story about a boy. This boy is not special. This boy is not perfect. But this boy does not give up. He tries. He fails. He tries again. Listen carefully. Relax. You can understand this story. Let's begin. This is Tom. Tom is a young man. Tom lives in a small town. Tom has a dream. Tom wants to speak English. He wants to speak English very well. He wants to speak English with confidence. Every day, Tom watches English videos. Every day, Tom listens to English. Every day, Tom says, I will speak English. He feels excited. He feels happy. He feels strong. One day, Tom meets a foreign tourist. The tourist smiles. The tourist says, hello. Tom feels nervous. Tom wants to speak. Tom opens his mouth, but no words come out. He feels scared. He feels small. He feels sad. He goes home. He sits on his bed. He thinks about his dream. I want to speak English, he says. I want to speak English, he says again. I want to speak English, he says one more time. The next day, he studies again. He opens his book. He listens to a simple lesson. But he does not understand everything. He tries. He does not understand. He feels confused. He tries again. He still does not understand. He feels tired. He tries again. He still makes mistakes. He feels bad. Tom says, English is too hard. Tom says, maybe I can't do this. Tom says, maybe I should quit. He looks at his phone. He wants to stop. He wants to give up. But inside his heart, he still has a dream. He wants to speak English. He wants to travel. He wants to talk to people. He sits quietly. He thinks. He feels sad. That night, Tom asks himself a question. Do I quit? Or do I try again? Tom sits in his room. It is quiet. It is dark. He feels tired. He thinks about his question. Do I quit? Or do I try again? He closes his eyes. He takes a deep breath. He says slowly, I will try again. Not 1 hour, not 3 hours, just 10 minutes. 10 minutes a day. 10 minutes a day. 10 minutes a day. The next morning, Tom wakes up early. He sits at his desk. He studies for 10 minutes. He listens to one short story. He reads 5 simple sentences. He repeats the sentences. He does not study a lot. He studies a little. But he studies every day. Day 1, day 2, day 3. He does not see big change. Day 4, day 5, day 6. He still makes mistakes. But he does not quit. He studies 10 minutes. He studies 10 minutes. He studies 10 minutes. After 1 week, he understands a little more. After 2 weeks, he feels a little stronger. After 1 month, he can say simple sentences. My name is Tom. I am learning English. I practice every day. He smiles. 3 months later, Tom meets another tourist. The tourist says, "Hello." Tom feels nervous, but this time he speaks. "Hello, nice to meet you." His voice is slow. His grammar is not perfect, but he speaks. He speaks. He speaks. He speaks. The tourist smiles. They talk for 5 minutes. Tom does not understand every word, but he understands some words. He feels happy. He feels proud. He feels confident. 6 months later, Tom watches an English video. Before, he understood nothing. Now, he understands many words. He understands the story. He understands the message. He understands more than before. Tom is not perfect. His English is not perfect. But Tom does not quit. He tries. He fails. He tries again. He takes small steps every day. Small steps every day. Small steps every day. And small steps make big change. Tom smiles and says, I am not fast, I am not perfect, but I never quit. Now, let's review some important words. Listen slowly. Repeat with me. Word number 1, perseverance. Perseverance means you do not quit. Perseverance means you keep going. Perseverance means you try again. Tom has perseverance. He feels tired, but he tries again. He feels sad, but he tries again. Perseverance. Do not quit. Keep going. Say it with me. Perseverance. 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 Next word, quit. Quit means stop. Quit means you give up. Quit means you say, I don't want to try. Tom wants to quit, but he does not quit. He does not quit. Quit, quit, quit. Next word, try. Try means you do something. Try means you make effort. Try means you do not stop. Tom tries. He fails. He tries again. Try, try, try again. Next word, fail. Fail means you make a mistake. Fail means you do not succeed. Fail is normal. Tom fails. He feels sad, but he tries again. Fail, fail, fail. Next word, habit. Habit means you do something every day. Habit means it is normal for you. Habit is small action every day. Tom studies 10 minutes every day. That is his habit. 10 minutes every day. Habit, habit, habit. Next word, small steps. Small steps mean little action. Small steps are not big. Small steps are simple. 10 minutes is a small step. 1 page is a small step. 1 sentence is a small step. Small steps, small steps, small steps. Next word, improve. Improve means get better. Improve means grow. Improve means change slowly. Tom improves. He understands more. He speaks more. Improve, improve, improve. Last word, confident. Confident means you feel strong. Confident means you believe in yourself. Confident means you are not afraid. Tom feels confident. He speaks slowly, but he speaks. Confident, confident, confident. Now ask yourself, do you quit or do you have perseverance? Do you take small steps? Do you study every day? You do not need to be perfect. You need to try. You need to try again. You need to try again. You need to try again. Now think about Tom. Tom is not special. Tom is not perfect. Tom is just a normal person. But Tom has perseverance. He feels tired. He feels sad. He feels scared. But he does not quit. Now think about you. Do you want to speak English? Do you want to understand English? Do you want to feel confident? Maybe you say, English is too hard. English is too slow. I am not good at English. That is okay. But ask yourself one question. Do you quit? Or do you try again? Maybe you fail today. That is okay. Maybe you make mistakes. That is okay. Mistakes are normal. Failing is normal. Stopping is the only problem. So today, do one small step. Read 1 page. Listen for 5 minutes. Speak 1 sentence. 1 small step. 1 small step. One small step every day. Small steps make big change. You do not need 1 hour. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need perfect accent. You need perseverance. Try again. Try again. Try again. If you want to continue, write in the comments, "I will not quit." Write, "I will try again." If this story helps you, subscribe to the channel. Watch more simple English stories. Practice every day. Your English can improve. Your confidence can grow. Your future can change. Remember, do not quit. Do not stop. Keep going. See you in the next story.